The rules and regulations demand that the employer should employ not more than 5 experienced people to one fresh one. Which of the following inequalities expresses the above situation if X be the number of experienced people and Y be the number of freshers? Let's consider this piece of information, that is not more than 5 experienced people. We know that X represents the number of experienced people, so the value of X cannot be more than 5. That is, X can be equal to 5 or X has to be less than 5. We can write this one as an inequality, that is, X can be equal to 5 or less than 5. And we have one fresh one. We know that Y represents the number of freshers, so we have Y equals to 1 according to this information. Now let me consider this inequality, X less than or equal to, we can write this 5 as 5 times 1. Okay, X less than or equal to, since Y equals to 1, we can plug in this Y for this 1 over here. Then we have X less than or equal to 5Y. This is the inequality which expresses a given situation. We find this inequality in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.